The POCO M4 Pro is one of the best budget 5G smartphones available for purchase, at least not here in Nigeria.
Don't go through the corners.
Which got some things correct, but there is something I'm not surprised it doesn't have well and something that still needs to be polished. What's up guys, it's Michael. The POCO M4 Pro is one heavy bad boy that is made of plastic, which has a nice feel at the rear and has a good grip while holding it. The rear has this sort of sandpaper feel to it, but if you don't like it you can use the included case in the box. This device looks like the Redmi 10 but with a black box at the back with the POCO logo. Having to use a bright display depending on how the sun is shining outdoors is really good, especially as it has a smooth scrolling experience and a good resolution on it, which allows you to watch quality videos on YouTube. The display comes in at 6.6 inches, which is just perfect to hold. You shouldn't be thinking about where to store your files because this device comes in two storage variants, which are 4GB 64 or 6GB 128, and if that is still not enough, that means you have a serious issue, but you can have more storage when you buy an SD card and you put it on the side tray. The POCO M4 Pro is a more performance driven device that comes with a powerful 6nm MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G, which plays games smoothly with 90Hz refresh rate turned on and runs at least 5 apps in the background without closing them while they are not in use. I made a gaming test video on this device which you can watch with the link above or in the description below. This is more of a performance driven device rather than a photography tool. I mean, a device without a camera is nothing to write home about, so POCO just had to throw in those numbers for you guys to be wowed from afar. But the result the dual camera setup produces is an okay one at this price point, which you shouldn't get your hopes high to get that wow factor. Power isn't an issue on this device. I mean, a 5000 mAh battery and still has a 33W fast charger is amazing at this price point. It takes about an hour 20 minutes to fully charge this device without you using it while it is charging. That is approximately one Netflix movie. Like I said earlier in this video, that there is something that needs to be polished. Yeah, that is the custom skin, which is MIUI 12.5. I don't know how they copied something and still didn't copy it well. We all know there's Android 12 which has some new and exciting features, but Xiaomi decided to stick with Android level, which is just so 2020. The POCO M4 Pro does most things excellently well except in the camera department. Do check out my gaming test video on this device here. Here's a video you will like. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the video showing on your screen right now.